Hi there. Today I'm going to show you a feature in Facebook called Facebook Debugger. And it happened to me when you want to load a video, a YouTube video onto Facebook. What happens sometimes, the preview or the picture of it does not show up. So what I did some research, and I'll post the link for Facebook Debugger where it shows you how to share your link on Facebook with an image. So this is the link. It's developers.facebook.com/tools/debug/. You'll put your link right here, and when you do that, you want to press debug. You want to do debug, and after you do debug, then you'll get a page like this, and then you want to scrape it. When you scrape it and refresh your page, you try again and you go back to your Facebook and you try like where you want to post your link. Here we are, here's your image. I hope this has helped you. This helped me, and I couldn't find a lot of YouTubes out there with this solution. So please comment below and please subscribe. Thank you for joining me.